how to withdraw money from SLoan Shopee. So since SLoan over here withdraws your money directly into your Shopee Pay wallet, what you're going to have to do is do that, withdraw the money into your Shopee wallet. And once you've done that, you're gonna have to go to your Shopee Pay. So once you're in your Shopee Pay, just go ahead and choose the withdraw option, or basically the send money option, or a bank transfer. Pretty much depends on you. So just go ahead and choose your method, either a bank account, e-wallet, or via QR. Then put in your full name, your number, the e-wallet you want to choose. In our case, we're going for e-wallet. And once you pretty much fill in the details, you should be able to withdraw your money from technically a loan in Shopee. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.